Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download music on iPhone using Documents app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, download the Documents app and open it up. In the Documents app, go to the bottom right in the navigation bar and click on Browser. Now, what you need to do is find music which you wish to download. Personally, I'll go and download some royalty-free music from Pixabay. So let me go and type it in. In this case, I'll go and download this top song here so I can go and play it. To download it, I'll just press on the download button. And when you click on it, your Documents app will go and give you this pop-up. You can go and name it, and you can then choose where you want to save it to. I'll just create a new folder by clicking on the Create button in the top right, and I'll name it Music. After that, I'll go and click on Done. And now, as you can see, the download has then started and finished. So you could download more music if you like, and once you're finished, click on the file icon in the bottom left and then click on Inbox, and I can go into the folder I created called Music, and as you can see here, it is. Now I can just click on it and it will start playing. And then what you can do is close off the Documents app and it will keep playing. So that's basically how you can download music on iPhone using Documents app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.